Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about, or let us carry forward our discussion regarding the disease dementia. Now we have already discussed about what is dementia, what are the possible symptoms of dementia, what are the diagnostic procedures, and what all treatments are available for the disease condition named as dementia. Now here let us discuss about the 7 stages of dementia or 7 stages of development of dementia. So the first stage is the stage of no dementia or no cognitive decline. Now as I already mentioned, in the case of this disease condition, one of the major symptoms is the cognitive decline. So in the stage 1 or the stage 1, we do not have any kind of cognitive decline. The person do not have any kind of memory loss, they are mentally healthy, everything is fine. Moving to the second stage. This stage we notice very mild cognitive decline. So in this case, there is forgetfulness associated with aging, and this cannot be noticed by his or her close family members or maybe the physician whom he or she consults. Now moving towards the third stage. Here we experience mild cognitive decline. In this case, there is increased level of forgetfulness, decreased level of performance. Then also the person cannot concentrate upon the conversation which is going on. Moving towards the fourth stage. Fourth stage is considered to be the mid stage of dementia. Here we experience moderate cognitive decline. So in the case the person is unable to recall the recent events which were happening. Also there is increased level of forgetfulness. They tend to withdraw from their family members and friends circle. Now moving towards the fifth stage. In the fifth stage, what happens is the disease again shows its horrible forms. Here the person or the patient needs increased assistance from his or her family members in order to carry out each of their activities. And also they tend to forget their phone number, where they are standing, which place are they standing, which day is it or what time is it. They tend to forget all these things. Moving towards the sixth stage, it is again the most severe condition of dementia. In this case, the person may forget the name, even names of their family members or even their close friends. Even they may forget their own name. Moving towards our last stage of dementia. This is the most severe stage of dementia. In this case, what happens is the person tend to forget everything around them, and also they need increased assistance even while going to the washroom or even while eating. And they also lose their psychomotor skills, like their ability to walk, and they also completely lose the ability to speak or carry out communication. So these are the 7 necessary stages of the disease condition named as dementia. I hope this will be useful to you when you face a question or when you receive a case note regarding this disease condition. And I hope it was useful and informative. Thank you.